Ate Pen, to fold your clothes. Ha? Very good naman yan ah.
That's not fair.
That's not fair.
Mama.
Ano that's not fair? You want Peppa Pig?
Can I, Tita Van, can I share Mama's TV?
Yes, you can watch here.
I have, Tita Van, mamaya babalik yung stuffed toy. Mga 6.
Fold it properly, baby.
Pag nasa hospital ako.
Very good. Ayan. Oh. More.
Mama,
Yes.
can I wear the pink one later?
Sure.
This is pink. Ate Pen. Kasi kalala ko si Ate Chef lang.
Sila ko sa tissue lang.
Ate Shela. Ate, hindi si Ate Shela. Ate Pen. Is it Ate Shela's sister?
No.
Kitty, tama na muna chismis. Dami ka pang ifo-fold.
Are you the sister of Ate Shela?
Hindi.
Sister ni Ate Pen si Ate Shela.
Hindi neighbor.
Ha?
Neighbor.
Neighbor ni Ate Pen.
Very good.
Auntie yan ni... Are you the auntie of Ate Shela?